What's the meaning of costal? Costal. Costal.
Costal. Costal. Costal refers to the areas or structures related to the ribs, particularly the ones close to the chest. This term is commonly used in anatomy and biology when referring to the respiratory system or the musculoskeletal system. The word costal originated from the Latin word costa, which means rib. It is often used to describe the location of specific body parts such as the costal cartilage or the costal margin. By understanding the meaning of costal, medical professionals can accurately identify and treat injuries or conditions related to the chest and rib area.